Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how you can create AI TikTok videos, and you can create different kind of products review video if you want to really make money on TikTok. I will show you the step-by-step process how you can find the viral product and how you can create the AI videos, and the most important thing, how much money you can earn. And I will show you the proof how much you can earn. Okay, so let's get started. Alright guys, the first step is we have to find out our viral video or viral product. So how we can find this kind of analytics? So you have to use Cola data and just sign up with your Gmail account, and you will find different kind of analytics like category, shops, creator, product, video. And under the video section you will find the top video content, that's been number one. So this video got 7.58 million views, and you will see the revenue, that's crazy, 246k revenue, and items sold 6035 items sold. This is really viral, so this is really amazing. So what kind of product? Okay, so let's see the product. It's a Al Haramin Amber Wood Gold. Okay, it's a perfume. So this is the product, 1 minute 25 seconds. So let's see the video. Okay, just opening the box and just showing up, and this is the viral product. All right, and it's for especially for Father's Day gift item. Okay, so you can create by yourself this kind of product, but if you are very shy and if you are not camera friendly, so you can create faceless video. So basically in this tutorial I will show you how we can create the product video, but we are going to create this product video, okay, using AI. Okay guys, so this website is amazing guys. If you want to really make money on TikTok, so it will help you to analysis, research, also find the best product, and you can create the product, okay, video, and also you can create the product video. Okay, so this is for TikTok affiliate shop. So this is best for TikTok affiliate shop. So here we'll see number of products, not only one product. The number 2 products is Father's Day. It's a dad, I want to hear your story. Maybe it's a gift or like, and this video 40 seconds only, and items sold, the number of items sold is really amazing, 18k, and it's really very close to 19k, and the revenue is 244, and the video views 7.27 million. And this is the ad guys, so don't look for that. And this is the fourth one, 36 seconds, touch screen LCD, and you will see 11.89 million views and 162k of revenue. Okay, and you'll find lots of videos about there. So let's explore this, the first one. Okay, so let's go to the product. This is the product page, Al Haramin Amber Wood Gold. This is the product, and product price is 42.50. Okay, so this is the shop stores. Okay, and the most of the content creators, they are making videos and they are just earning commission based money. Okay, and this is the product. Okay, here you can see the creators, that's been the highest earners and who are really earning really great money, and she's the number 1 creator that most earners. Okay, revenue, items sold, and video revenue. All right, and the second position is, here you can see the most earners, like this product selling most earners, affiliate commission based earner, this account. And the first section we have seen this product, that's been, this is the number 1 creator who earned this number of amount. Okay, so if you want to explore more, like if you want to analyze this account or this seller, okay, so you can visit our profile. Okay, so let's find this. So this is the video, 1.25 minutes, 4k, and revenue 246k, and new followers gain. Okay, and also similar product, they are also promoting this product, and you can see their earnings, views. Okay, so let's find her account. Also you can analyze her account. You will see the content creator contact, contact list, that's been YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, and you will find the core metrics, and you will see per day 63.65k video revenue, that's mean she is earning through their TikTok video. And scroll down, you will see the video, the number one video that we've already reviewed. So this is called passive income. Once you create the video and publish, and it's on every single day, so you're gonna make money. Okay guys, and you will find the number one video, this one, 7.8 million. Okay, all right guys, so our target is to create this kind of products video. Okay, so this kind of products video, so let's create the product video. And for this video creation, we're going to use the tools. It's called ai.invideo.io. so first thing first, we have to collect the product ideas, that's mean the product name or product title. So how do you go the product title? Okay, so you can copy this product like from here and copy, and you can also paste it here, and you can write as you want to add some additional. So also you can explore all, and you can make TikTok video. Click on TikTok video and create a TikTok video about. So this section we have to paste the product title. Okay, and the second option is make the background music if you want to add, and language should be definitely English, and you can write with subtitle also. And we have some settings over there like female voice and American and narrator. Okay, so you will see some options there, like if you want to add some styles, that's mean add bold subtitles and with popping effects. Click on that. Watermark is okay. I stock as needed, that's been different kind of footage over there. Okay, and use YouTube audio library only, that's mean when we create this kind of AI video, the problem is AI generated different kind of music, and when we use this kind of video, maybe we have chance to get a copyright strike. That's why we always recommend to use only for YouTube audio library only, as we are creating TikTok video. So don't worry about YouTube library, you just use best audio available. Okay, so click on continue button. So you have to just click generate a video and just wait, and it will analyzing your video title and everything, and within a few seconds you will get a video. So let's see how they create the video. All right, and the second option is you have to select some settings like audience and look and feel glamorous, elegant and vibrant. Okay, platform TikTok, so keep as it is or you can change. So click on continue. All right, so this might take a few minutes. So our video is generating, 11% of video is ready. So let's see. All right guys, so finally video is ready. 1 minute or 9 seconds. So let's play the video.
Are you ready to envelop yourself in a fragrance that speaks volumes about your taste? Prepare to experience the allure of Amber Oud Gold. Every spritz of Al Haramain's Amber Oud Gold is like stepping into a world where every detail is bathed in luxury. Imagine the richest, most captivating scents of the Middle East expertly blended into one bottle. With top notes of spicy bergamot mingled with soothing, sweet amber, it promises an opening as unforgettable as...
I don't like this kind of color captions. Okay, so I think it's perfect if we can select any white color. So here you can see, give a command to edit the video, change the caption color. Okay, so change the captions color to white. So that's mean we're going to change this color. Okay, the captions color. So let's click on generate. So here you can see it's done. That's mean our captions colors is already changed. So let's play again.
should be.
Okay, so I think, okay guys, so I think you can do very easily. So you can create any kind of videos. Okay, so I just clearly showed you the step-by-step process. That's mean how you can find the best product, how you can find the best video, and how you can create the video. And the final stage is you have to download this video and you have to upload in your TikTok account. That's it. And after generating views, you can add some links over there, that's mean the product links, and you can make money. Alright guys, so I will not take more time from you. So if you love this content, please comment below and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you can get videos early. Okay, so thanks for watching. I will come back with another tutorial. So have a good day. Tada, bye bye.